Hi everyone, to show you the difference of our products and others, we bought one from another website. Here's the one we bought. You take a look. Okay. Outside is more click. This two silent. Okay, the ball. It does not have a sound. You can press it. And this one you can. It is silent. Okay, the switch. It feels like this one is a little bit loose. And here you can see it is not symmetry. And when you roll it up, you can feel the resistance. And ours is more smoothie. And this one. I think our product feels better. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.